but it's the long boundary. And so he goes in a completely different angle. He'll pick up a couple of runs. In fact, that boundary down at deep mid-wicket is so deep, the field is not on the line.
Listen, Rishabh's on a roll now. He's already seen a few overs of Shadab Khan, and I always found with Shadab Khan, once he gets into the last couple of overs of his spell, he hasn't got a wicket in the first 2 overs. More aggressive. The first few overs, he was more so just making sure that he bowled his bowling dot balls.
We call wide, so just a little things around this Pakistan side now. Run rate starting to nudge 7 for India.
Perfect length. Rishabh Khan, he could get that slog sweep out.